This is the Amazon Kindle Paperwhite, and it's designed to make reading easier and more convenient. I've used almost every e-reader out there and have been using this one for a while now. In this video, I'll cover everything you need to know about this device and how it compares to other Kindles. Inside the box, you'll find the Kindle Paperwhite, a USB-C charging cable, and a quick start guide. Plain and simple. Setting up this device is really straightforward and quick. First, press the power button at the bottom to turn it on. Then follow the on-screen instructions to connect to Wi-Fi and sign into your Amazon account. This is one of the most user-friendly e-readers I've ever used. Navigating feels effortless with a simple tap or swipe to turn pages. You can also hold to highlight text and swipe down to access brightness and network settings. The responsive touchscreen makes every action smooth and intuitive, allowing you to stay fully immersed in your reading without any distractions. It's incredibly comfortable to hold for long reading sessions. Measuring just 7 inches long, 5 inches wide, and under half an inch thick, it slips easily into bags and is perfect for reading on the go. Despite its lightweight design, it feels sturdy and well built, making it a reliable choice for everyday use. With a nearly full 7-inch and 300 ppi display, reading on this device is a great experience. Everything looks sharp and clear. While it's not as large as the Kindle Scribe, it's slightly bigger than the standard Amazon Kindle. While the Kindle Paperwhite Signature Edition and Colorsoft Signature Edition offer 32 gigabytes of storage, this Kindle comes with 16 gigabytes. However, that's still enough to hold thousands of books, making it more than sufficient for most readers. The battery life on this device is truly impressive. With daily use, a single charge can last up to 12 weeks, making it one of the longest-lasting e-readers available on the market right now. In comparison, the Kindle and Colorsoft Edition offer a battery life of only 6 to 8 weeks. It's also 20% faster than the Kindle and has an IPX8 rating. Unlike the Amazon Kindle, I don't have to worry about taking this to the beach or by the pool, as it's fully water-resistant. Overall, the Amazon Kindle Paperwhite is the perfect e-reader for those who want a better and faster reading experience. If you're in the market for a new Kindle device, then I strongly recommend this one.